Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I completely forgot to film an intro, so here we are. Currently my hair is stretched from a previous video that I did, so I'm just undoing these two little flat twists that I had in so that we can get started. You can do this hairstyle on an old twist out, old wash and go. This is old hair, okay? The two products that we're using is my Talia curling cream and this braid out cream by Main Choice. These are probably my two favorite styling products right now. So okay, so here I'm just getting my hair parted to where I want the twist to lay, the style to lay, I guess I should say. Y'all, the best part about this hairstyle is only going to be 6 twists. That's it. I'm gonna put 3 on one side, 3 on the other side, and that's it. I discovered this technique, this trick, one day when my husband was at work and I had pretty much been looking like a bum for like the past week. So I really wanted to try something cute, but I didn't really have that much time to get cute before he got home from work. Oh, so let me get back to the video. Okay, so I have a little dab of cream. You don't want to add too much water to your hair because you want the twist to be elongated. So I'm not adding any water, just cream and gel, and only like a little bit of each. But back to my story. So I didn't have a lot of time before he was gonna get home from work, so I went in the bathroom and my hair, like I said, was already stretched. It was dirty, and I put my hair in these 6 twists, maybe around 3 o'clock, and he got home at about 7, so I took the twist down at about 6:30, and it was popping. 3 hours. That's the maximum time. That's the amount of time that I had these twists in, and they looked so great. So that's just what I've been doing lately, honestly, on a regular basis. And you know, Valentine's Day is coming up, so I thought this would be the perfect time to do a video on this because this style is really cute and loose and sexy and flowy and perfect for if you're going out or even if you're staying in. This is just a quick, cute style. All right, so I got my first twist done. As you can see, I did a flat twist. I've never tried it as a braid, so maybe there'll be an experiment in the future, but this is, like I say, we're gonna be doing flat twists. If you don't know how to do a flat twist, sis, I just really don't know what to tell you. But no, in all seriousness, there's plenty of tutorials on YouTube on how to do a flat twist. My favorite natural hair YouTuber is Only One Jess, and I know that she has a flat twist tutorial on her channel, so check it out, check it out. So yeah, on the second twist, I just did the same process. I added a little bit of the curling cream, a little bit of the gel, and on my ends, I don't know if you noticed, but I put a little bit more cream on my ends before I run the comb through them, just to make sure that they are nice and smooth, because the ends are very important in those curls being defined. All right, I think y'all have the gist of what I'm doing at this point, so I'm just gonna let you guys watch as I do this last twist and then show you what everything looks like when it's finished. All right, we are done here. All my twists completed. I did not in any way try to get any parts perfectly straight. As you can see, this is just, I just freeballed it with the parting. My intentions for this style is for it to look, just be a messy, cute style. So I really wasn't stressing over the parting. All right, this is literally no more than 3 hours later. I'm pretty sure I did this style at like 11, and it was like 2-ish when I started to take these twists down. As you take these twists down, the key is to go very slow. I know the video is sped up, so, you know, obviously, but you want to make sure you're taking your time when you take the twist down because they have not been set for that long, just a couple of hours. So it's more likely that there could be frizz. And well, I welcome the frizz. A little bit of frizz is fine because, like I said, this is just a loose, flirty, you know, quick hairstyle. But obviously, you still want some curl definition, so slow it down. Take your time when you're taking the twist out. Y'all, look at these curls. This is only 3 hours of wait time. Like, just look, girl, look. I love it. I feel like this is genius. Obviously, you do have to wash your hair every now and again. But if you're working with old hair, you don't have time to wash it, do this style. If you want your hair more defined than this, obviously do more twists than what I did. But, girl, 6 is enough. It's enough. Embrace the frizz, okay? Here, I'm just using my wide tooth comb to pick out the roots and get my hair, you know, give it some height. I wasn't really feeling how this bang part came out, so I decided just to get a bobby pin and pin this little piece down. But other than that, I think it's perfect. I think everything came out absolutely perfect, and I love it. Cue the slow-mo. All right, now this shot is about an hour after I finished the style. I added some bobby pins on the side just to, you know, dress it up a little bit, but this is it. I love this style every single time I do it. If you enjoyed the video, if you enjoyed the style, comment down below. Give this video a thumbs up. As always, I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Sing like no one's there. Dance, it's us against the